Hi everyone, well today I'm going to move the fencing so that the horses can eat more of my front lawn. They've just about destroyed my side lawn, but they do make good lawnmowers and they're good at edging, so I think that's today's plan. As you can see, on one side the lawn is nice and flat and smooth because the horses have done their job. And on this side it's a jungle, so I think that will be this morning's plan, is to move that fencing. Now the horses are enjoying my front lawn now. Hopefully they'll mow it down and do all my edging for me. In the meantime I better get myself organised to go to town.